The story of the day, week, month, maybe the story of my tenure on YouTube is that the Milky Way galaxy has just woken up. As has been predicted by many, from the stingiest academics to the worst fearmongers, the G2 approach to our galactic center has begun to produce galactic flares. There could be CME-like effects in what some have called superwave surges, and I might add that galactic energetic particle events should be considered in the mix too. You see, ever since we've begun watching it, it appears the galactic center flares once every 10 days, but since the close approach of our galaxy's version of Comet Neat, this year the center has begun flaring almost every single day. Of course, there is the time delay, so these things happened a long time ago, but the observable evidence comes right before the actual felt effects, and that's all the time when it comes to space weather, so a discussion must come soon about what these flares could mean for our solar system and our Earth.
Okay, so this could be confirmation to my prediction that I've been talking about for quite some time now, that the entire universe is suffering from a voltage drop, which means the power of everything is lowering. Now, if you heard, the flashes have gone from once every 10 days to one every day. That is an increase in power by a power of 10. Now, this is whatever the G2 is doing, it is feeding energy to the black hole, and is basically working the same way as an atom. When it receives more energy, it starts to flash. It gives away the energy it just received. So if it pulled energy in from G2, it will act like an atom, and it will expand and dump the excess energy in waves and particles, which, considering it's 4,000 times the density of our own sun, means there could be a heck of a lot of debris coming our way. And now we see by this story that the G2, whatever that is going past our solar system, and from the picture you would assume that it's sucked in energy from the tail, which has gone straight to the galactic center of Sagittarius A and its black hole, and now it seems to be pulsing 10 times faster, or 10 times more energy. So this would be the surge, I guess, that is coming. Maybe it will do nothing, but I've been saying that if our electromagnetic field shrinks and we get a huge surge through the sun, then our EM field will surge and roll like a blanket, and this ripple that's coming through space doing whatever will come through the Earth. Yeah, and that might be where all the lightning is going to be coming from. A massive surge into a collapsing EM field will make the field surge and cause lightning to ground. So the energy vibration wave that's coming from Sagittarius A now has been increased by 10 times the amount of energy. And yeah, I do believe that energy is what's coming. And you were told beforehand. Thanks very much. My name is Lee, and I'm a Christian.